In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common issue of Steam Link not pairing. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you want to open your Steam application. If it's not already on your screen, go ahead and launch the app from your desktop or applications folder. Once it's open, you're going to need to log in. If you haven't logged in already, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. Go ahead and input those details. Remember to double check for typos because an incorrect login can prevent you from moving forward. Once your credentials are entered, click on the sign in button. With everything in place, you should now be on your Steam homepage. From here, you'll want to navigate to the menu option titled Steam, found on the upper left corner of the app. Click on this and then select Settings from the drop down menu. This is where you'll make a few adjustments to connect your Steam Link successfully. Within the settings menu, scroll down until you see an option called Remote Play. Click on it to access further options. Here, the critical step is to enable Remote Play. You should see a checkbox or toggle, make sure this is turned on. Next, it's important to ensure that Allow Direct Connection is enabled. This setting can often be found under the Remote Play options, labeled typically as Automatic to allow IP sharing. Checking this box can help facilitate a smoother connection. Now it's time to pair your Steam Link. You'll find a button labeled Pair Steam Link. Go ahead and click on that. This action will prompt the app to look for any Steam Link devices nearby. Once you find your device, the app will ask for a 4-digit code. This code will be displayed on your Steam Link device, so it's essential to have it handy. Enter the code as prompted to proceed with the pairing process. Additionally, don't forget to enable Advanced Host Options. This option ensures that you have full control over the connection settings and can optimize your remote play experience. You'll find this option in the same Remote Play tab. Take a moment now to enable any other options noted there. These could include things like enabling hardware decoding or adjusting network settings. By going through this checklist, you enhance the chances of a successful connection. And there you have it. Once you've thoroughly checked and enabled all these settings, your Steam Link should pair with your device smoothly. If everything's done correctly, you can enjoy your stream without further interruptions. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.